My primary duties are to maintain the scientific equipment, help the scientists deploy the equipment, make sure that we're collecting the data in a way that is useful to them, in terms of sometimes if people are looking for metals or pollutants, we have to take into consideration how the samples are taken so that they won't be contaminated. I act as a liaison between scientists and the crew to make sure scientists are getting what they need. I do a lot of organizing and writing standard operating procedures. Mainly it's just to make sure everything's done safely and accurately. Working outside, not having to be in an office. I always liked field work. I always wanted to be outside. Wake up, find out what's going on, see if the scientists need anything, see what's been done. If anything's broken that needs to be fixed, follow up on that. Basically just help the scientists do whatever they need to do. I learned everything about the job from doing the job. So as far as previous knowledge, I wouldn't say you really need to have previous knowledge. What you do need to have is willingness and the tenacity to learn everything that you need to know. I use a lot more electronic skills than I ever thought I would use ever. So using the multimeter to figure out electrical problems, soldering, making cables. I never thought I would do that. I would say do as much hands-on learning as you can in the way of internships and volunteering, that kind of thing. Had I known about the marine technician career field while I was in college, I would have investigated it further, but I really had no idea this was a job before getting the job. And you don't necessarily need to major in marine biology or oceanography or something like that. My degree's in chemistry. And our other two techs, I think they're biology, but also geology, physics would also be relevant to this field. I've done a lot of integration of instruments in with other instrument packages, meaning I have to take instruments from several different manufacturers and make them all talk to each other, which can be very complicated because when you call one manufacturer, they say, oh no, that can't be done, and then you figure out how to do it anyway. That's probably the most interesting part. Well, I find it rewarding to help the scientists with what they're doing, because those are the people that are really protecting the environment, because you can't protect the environment without knowing what's going on.